Today is self-love. Hi guys. Good morning. Right? So you realize that I do everything already. Me brush my teeth, wash my hair, spray my bed. Never shown that thing. And put on some water because they know girl want her tea. And waiting for Michelle to come into the video. But I'm gonna go on and I'm gonna go start making the tea. So what do I feel for? Let's see. Bam, sucker. You know you cannot look about tea and don't use Lasco. Like, come on. Lasco it is, you see now. Lasco it is.
Good morning, good morning.
She finally reached, people. Finally reached. Well, yeah, you can continue with it.
Yeah. So guys, how's one day so far? What should I do?
Okay.
So what do I do? Maybe a morning routine or how I spend my day. Yeah,
Something
how
like
I
that.
spend my day. Yeah.
Something like that.
So that is it. Every day I make little tea, look at tea,
I feel nice.
and then afterward I look about the breakfast. We don't know you have to go your tonight. You know where you have to go?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
But
So
yeah.
we're there. I have no sugar and that tea now, so I'm going to see if the two spoons can cook it, you know?
Majority of the time I already put more on it.
Yeah. I have a long day ahead of me with studying, assignments. Anybody want to come and take it over for me?
Huh.
Come on.
Mine is finished. Mine is finished.
Take it over.
Mine is finished. Mine is finished.
And sugar help me. And sugar help me. And sugar help me.
I'm
Sugar
down
help me. Sugar help me. So the code for today is: the happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts.
Okay.
The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts.
And that is a beautiful quote.
Beautifully said.
Because you cannot surround yourself with negativity, and I always say, once you surround yourself with negativity, negativity is going to follow you.
Right.
So be positive, guys. You never know. The mind is powerful, you know. The mind is very powerful. You must be happy and must think positive thoughts, because once you start with negative, you have to start stress,
Yes, you start
headache,
anxiety.
all kind of madness are going on in your life. Just be positive. You can meditate. Not time you meditate. Meditation is very good.
Yeah, even a self-affirmation, you say to yourself daily, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do them something there sometime, man.
You ever tell yourself you can't do something and then you actually don't do it because you say you doubt yourself.
Exactly.
So you say, you know, I can do it. I can do it. And your friend, you know, you find yourself doing it and you say, well, really at this, we didn't really panic over.
I agree with that. I agree.
Just think positive.
Think positive today, guys.
Yes. You will surely surprise yourself.
True.
Yes.
That is true. So guys, next scene. Me decide to do one little mini workout. Nothing big, nothing fussy. Just to kickstart off my holiday.
Yes, sir.
I don't regular habit this, but I just feel like say I need to get a little active in my life because it's been a while. I'm gonna get a little sick, so yeah, I go do that thing. So I'm going to put on my waist trainer and get some cracking because we're gonna work out today. I'm gonna do this. Guys, I am finished with that workout. Sweat a little. Burn a little. Burn a little sweat. So may I go cool off, take a shower, and eat something coming right now. That may I go do. So I took a shower, smell fresh and nice and bare things, but now, Michelle, I'm gonna do some breakfast. Break the fast, you know?
Yes. Some egg and some sausage.
Yeah, sausage.
Sausage. Yes.
Yeah, that's
With some tomato
and ladies. So we're gonna do that.
yeah.
here again. So guys, it is currently 2:31 thereabout, and mommy says she want me fry some chicken here, so I'm going to do that. I sure no like all my fried chicken. Yeah, so currently me just put the, show you, flour in the little bowl here, and see chicken here, people. Chicken, right? I just always sprinkle that little black pepper in the flour, just kind of spicy it up a little bit and fried. So the oil over here hotting. Yeah, most definitely. And you know, Michelle is over here doing school, boring stuff. So yeah. So I'm just stirring it, and then I'm gonna do the second covering. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take them out. You know, when you see once you juke your chicken and you see like no bloody water I come out of it, you know say your chicken is finished. You understand? Okay. Right, so them crispy and them nice, so I gotta take them out now. The pan chicken. No bloody water. Guys, so the chicken here, it is finished. Done fry and ready to go, you know? Yeah. See, the chicken I gotta go with some palenta, otherwise known as corn meal. So daddy himself, I look about this, you know, famous daddy, I'm a big chef, you know. Daddy, I'm a big chef in this one. So guys, this is the dinner I will be consuming. So, and this brings us to the end of my day. End of the vlog. End of our day. End of our day. End of our day. Michelle, drop down. No. So guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yes, Amara. So, if you're new, thank you for watching and thank you for watching. And if you're old, continue the journey with me. You understand? Say until next time.
Next time.
All right. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Watching our video and hope you remember to turn on your post notification to notify you when there's another video.
Guys, we're going to leave on with one phrase. After that, no one can do what we do, so just do
The
right
thing.
do the right thing with every day.